Breakthrough. You got the dollar.
Bernardo Channel.
Dollar. Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo Channel.
dollar. Breakthrough. Breakthrough.
Bernardo Channel.
Breakthrough. Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo Channel.
dollar.
Breakthrough. You got the dollar.
Bernardo Channel.
Dollar. Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo Channel.
Hello guys, I am Bernardo. I am here with my new Groupon Pro X Plus Hit results video. I grew 2 cm taller in 6 months. I increased my height from 187 cm to 189 cm. It's really great. I feel so confident. I cannot tell you how is I am exciting and confident now is change. Everything going so good. So first I want to say sorry because during Christmas and other things my daily life really busy. I every time say myself I will do video, I will upload tomorrow, and until this day is always late. I really sorry for this, but the next video will come earlier, not 1 month later. I will try to upload my video earlier than 1 month. So if you are my long time subscriber, you are know so many questions answer, but I want to explain some things for new watcher. Maybe somebody don't know what is Groupon Pro. I want to explain really quick. Groupon Pro is growth taller supplement, and one time you pay and it comes with 8 months supply. I'm in the 6th month now. This month, in the 6th month, I grew already 2 cm. But before beginning to Groupon Pro Max Plus Kit, I was 177 cm. And after past 6 months, I grew 12 cm and my height increased to 189 cm. It's really a huge change, and I have 2 more months supply. We will see what will happen on the end. Every month I try to upload my results in the video. You can see on my gallery. Also before I used several growth taller supplements, but I didn't get success with some of one, like Peak Height Maximizer, Gloxi Height Enhancer, Pure Height Plus, Grow Flex. I didn't get any success with these products. After this, after trying so many things, I tried to way how to grow taller. In that time, I was 162 cm and I meet with growth sinerama. Growth sinerama is also growth taller supplement, and I used 7 pass growth sinerama and 7 bottles Max Boy. I increased my height from 162 cm to 175 cm. Yes guys, I grew around 13 cm with growth sinerama. It's also really good product and effective. But some people ask me, actually I answer on my videos, but everybody not long subscriber as I said before. I want to answer again. If growth sinerama work, why you use the Groupon Pro? Firstly, I want to try all growth taller supplements. If I reach my target, even I will be guide and coach for another person. I will try every growth taller supplement and I will see, honestly I want to tell my subscribers which one is work, which one is not. We will see it together guys. This reason I want to try different products. And another thing is I really excited with Groupon Pro because I used Growth Sinerama, and Growth Sinerama company collaborate with Groupon Pro for development this product. When I hear that already I trust Growth Sinerama company, and after this I want to try Groupon Pro. Also Professor Robert Kissinger, which is founder of Groupon Pro. I read the story about the Professor Robert Kissinger and really impact from his story. After reading so many things, I want to try Groupon Pro. Groupon Pro is 3 different type of kit: basic, advanced and Max Plus kit. I am using the Max Plus kit now, which is most expensive, also most effective one. I am really happy with results. We will see on the end what will happen. So guys, one reason is Growth Sinerama company suggests this product. Another reason is I want to try different things. You know, if you're using the growth sinerama, you need to do some exercising. If you are using the Carob Pro, I didn't do any exercise. So if you want to do some exercises like 4 times swimming a week, each time is 30 minutes you need to swim, also 10 minutes daily hanging exercising. It's very good with gross sinerama results. It's activate the gross sinerama and you can get the results. Some people don't do exercising while using gross sinerama. Maybe they can get the results but need to use more product, not 1, 2, maybe 4, 5 like this. I always say and notice that if you are using the growth holder products, don't compare yourself with another person results, because growth holder products give different results in different time for everybody because of metabolism, different hormonal balance, genetic, nutrition, and many other things. Even directions, stress, hormonal balance can affect these results, and some people even get in the first quarter results, but some people even 8 months later, even 1 year later can get the results. So some people compare themselves with another people. Look at on the YouTube and find somebody and see, oh, you saw the results in the first month, but I didn't see any results after 3 months. This product is scam, doesn't work. So guys, you need to understand this. You need to give even 1 year period for growth holder products. It doesn't matter what you are using. Growth holder products is give different results in different time. Don't hold the people's scam. If you not take a risk, if you don't want to take a risk, don't use the product, don't order the product. But life is a risk. You need to pay attention when you use the growth holder products about the nutrition and other things. Many things can affect, and you need to give enough time for products. What can I say another? I got so many emails from my subscribers. First, I want to thank you. We are a big family and grow up. Every time my subscribers coming bigger and bigger, and I got a very successful, good results. Sometimes said, because I said after growth sinerama, I want to use some different growth holder products like Super Growth and Carob. I got so many requests about Bernardo, please use Carob or Super Growth. So guys, I will use, even I not use, I will be guide for somebody. I will meet with them in my country and I will give them some guide, nutrition and other things, exercising. But don't misunderstand, I will just be guide, I will not buy the product. Why I say this? Because some of subscribers asked me so many questions about the growth sinerama and say to me, I used the Super Growth before and my legs and arms bigger now, longer, but in the height didn't grow. I don't know growth taller or not, but definitely I am taller. Send me photo. I want to publish that because so many questions coming about the Super Growth. If you buy for me Carob, you can share my results. What is this? I am not share my results with money. I am helping you, but you request for money from me for help to another people show the results. This is not ethic, guys. You know, this is believe. Take risk things. If turtle not hit outside, cannot walk, cannot go farther. If you not take a risk, you cannot go to farther. And so many people not believe maybe you will not care. You will take a risk. If you not take a risk, you cannot go to farther. You cannot access to your target. You need to take out from home and you need to discover world. Similar like this, if you always at the home, you miss the many successful, beautiful things in the world. So you will pay and you will take a risk, but it works. This reason I take these videos because Carob Pro, yes, is deserve the money. Can be expensive for so many person, but deserve that money because it works. This is my real honest experience. Why I got the same question always. Bernard, is it work? Bernard, is it work? It works. I never shared any lightings in my channel. I record the video and everything I want to show up. What can I do more, for example? So guys, I want to explain this. Also, I am doing some musics like this for my channel. I like the rap musics. I want to motivate you. Like before, I published some songs, some music about the growth holder. Some of people like this and say to me, so motivated to me, please make the more music. And I try to do some music. I like the rap music and try to make some songs for my channel. Also, end of this video has some musics. Thank you for supporting me. I love you all. I get so many beautiful messages When I read your successful story, I really feel very happy, and I am doing this job not for money. I not get affiliate link from the companies. I just share the people and I try to save money. If Groupon Pro doesn't work, I will say that, and so many people not use that, they will save the money. But in here, some important point I want to notice. Maybe you need to give 1 year, even 1 year for product, cause even you cannot get with some kit. Maybe you need to order another kit, 8 months supply. Maybe you need to complete the 1 year period, and you need to look it works or not, because growth older products need the 1 year period for your body changing needs some time. I want to notice that don't say quickly if you not see results in 2-3 months, even 6 months. You need to use 1 year, and after the necessary things you can say maybe it doesn't work for me. Maybe not work for you but work for another person. Directions different, nutrition, genetic different. So don't call the scam easily everything. Even you call me scam, I just try to help you. If you not believe me, you don't need to order it. I tried and these products works, but I say to you, Pure High Plus, gloxi, Peak Height Maximizer, I tried and not works. What can I say? I will try every product and we will see which one is work, which one is not. Also, sometimes you need to find your direction. Gross Sinerama company says you don't need to use Maxboy, not necessary. For me, absolutely necessary. If you not use Maxboy, you cannot get good results. I collected so many reviews from people. I collected age and female, male, so many things from the people, and make some critics about the growth older products. And when I suggest some products for people, this is very good guide for me. What can I say more? I don't know. I love you all. Please follow me for growth older tips. I will share after using the product also some growth older tips, maybe exercise, nutrition, many things. If you want to get some good ideas about growth older, please subscribe me. Also, you can make some comment. If you like, I will like it. Thank you guys, and see you in another video.
Look like it's hard. Hope I make it.
Make it.
It's a risk,
Risk.
but I will take it.
Take it.
Feeling like I'm living,
Okay.
stuck in the basement.
Here.
I'm just trying
I will.
to get higher placement.
Yo.
Life is hard,
So hard.
but I will make it.
Sure.
I can't wait a long time.